Hello, boys and girls, and happy Friday. We are continuing working with our shapes, and we are going to have a new shape today. It is called a hexagon. Say it with me. Ready? Hexagon. Yeah, that's a big word, and we don't really use it or talk about this shape very often. So we're going to watch this video to learn all we can about a hexagon so we can identify it compared to other shapes. Here we go. A shape called a hexagon is being traced here. How many sides does a hexagon have? Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see what the video says. A hexagon has 6 sides. How many vertices does a hexagon have? Remember, the vertices are the corners. A hexagon has 6 vertices. What do you see? There is a honeycomb. What shape is traced in the honeycomb? A hexagon is traced in the honeycomb. It has 6 sides and 6 vertices. What do you see? There is a window. What shape is the window? Good, a hexagon. How do you know? Think, how many sides does it have? How many vertices does it have? It is a hexagon. The window has 6 sides and 6 vertices. What do you see? This is a nut. What shape is the nut? The nut is a hexagon. It has 6 sides and 6 vertices. Now you know how to identify a hexagon. Remember, it will always have 6 sides, so where the extra yellow lines are, and 6 vertices are circles. Remember, a vertice is like a corner. Nice job, boys and girls. Make sure you go check out our anchor chart for today, and I'll see you later. Bye.